बार फिर से आप सभी के समक्ष पूल बी के
support Savan Khatri, but Chandigarh Chargers will rather replace Prince Daya's photo with someone else because Prince Daya hasn't performed at all. So in that countdown, we need to have Shivam Singh on that top slot because he is the top raider of Yuva All-Star Championship 2025. The first raid has begun as Pratap Singh. He's got his first chance in the starting seven. First on the left in, and then even he said, okay, Rohit Narwal, thank you. Give me your shoulders, and then that big ankle hold. Well, Sandeep, this is what the captain of the Chandigarh Chargers can do, Sandeep Saini. And Ankit Daya also goes off. Harshit, no raiders left now for the Kurukshetra Warriors. And this two-raider format, I don't know how that is working out because even yesterday
आपके पास लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज हैं, तो फिर वो जो लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज हैं उन्हें पूरी तरह से जिम्मेदारी लेना बहुत जरूरी होता है। आज कुछ बदलाव चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स खेल रही है, इनकी टीम के पास वो मजबूती अब देखने को मिल रही है। प्रताप सिंह मौजूद है, वो पीछे से जाके अगर आपने बैक दिखाई है वो भी सचिन जैसे काबिल डिफेंडर को, तो परेशानियां बढ़ेंगी। प्रताप एक ही
of how they've taken the Yuva All-Star Championship together. But only Prince Daya, you just did not expect to do that. Pratap Singh running and touch on Sahil Lahiri. You know what, Harshit, he may look like well, Harshit,
या इज माइटेड सुपर टैकल करमवीर ठाकुर, इसीलिए जाने जाते हैं। कल भी हम इनके इन टैकल के बारे में बातचीत कर रहे थे, इनसे टैकल भी कर सकते हैं, रेड भी लगा सकते हैं। कल थोड़ा सा छुपे छुपे दिखाई दिए थे, आज प्रताप के विरुद्ध इस बार बाहर निकले, इनकी पोजीशन से नवीन ही उनका ट्रेडमार्क स्टेप है।
oh, bilkul, just coming in from the bench, so it just makes you realize going in, holding the shoulder doesn't work out. आपको टारगेट करनी पड़ेगी उनकी कमर पर, so that is where the mid waist, and now Karambir Thakur was running blind and Pratap Dalal Singh, well, there we go with that surprise ankle hold. Karambir Thakur
कहीं ना कहीं कुछ और पॉइंट अर्जित किया जाएगा, और उतने ही समय में लेफ्ट को अटैक आया और ऑल आउट अप दे दिया गया। चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स ऑलरेडी चार्ज अप होकर आए हैं सैटरडे के, तो पहले 10 मिनट बहुत जरूरी होते हैं किसी भी टीम के लिए, वो मैच को सेटअप करने के लिए। नवीन करमवीर ठाकुर के बारे में हमने बातचीत की, सचिन जगबीर के बारे में लगातार चर्चा करेंगे। चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स के दो डिफेंडर संदीप सैनी और सनी शेरावत, दोनों के पास 7 से ज्यादा टैकल पॉइंट है। इस बार वापस इनकी पोजीशन से एंकल होल्ड की कोशिश थी, बट प्रताप सिंह को ये आसान पॉइंट मिले, शायद 2 मिले, एक बोनस और एक टच पॉइंट। अगर आप
where do you have to go? My question is that Rahul Puria, just do your basic stuff, and that strike rate that we were talking about, 11th to 20th minute, they are the best, and they are showing why they are the best in that phase. Ankit Dhul got that, intimidating sort of a posture against the raider, against the defense, but only and only if his meniscus injury should not be aggravated. My issue is that ankle hold, Bhagwan, even then the support comes in, dashed away. The defense is doing their work. Raiders needs to understand this for the Warriors.
कल भी हाई फाई बना।
In the breakfast table, I was just talking to Narendra Kumar Saab, who's of course the top coach of the Jaipur professional team. He's a man with so much skills. He's a man with so much experience. He's of course will be coming in when the Jaipur pickups will come along, and Praveen Narwal, nice thigh hold on Chetan Sahu. What he was trying to tell me about the coaching factor is, of course, I'll yeah, and I was just thinking if the time can pass off, but no. Happy Jagnu was walking as slow as he can. Arshid, and another hold in a 2-order raid. Sandeep Saini it is in the first half, and he is completely charged up with Sani Sherawat. Yeah, we were speaking of LOCC, we speak of Rathi Bhati combination, we speak of Khatri Kumar, that's Dipanshu Khatri and Aryan Kumar, but this is one more.
तो पहले आप 11 में से 10 टैकल्स तक को सक्सेसफुल बनाना, पहले आप में 90 से ज्यादा टैकल सक्सेस रेट, impeccable.
Yeah, very much. And again, Pratap Singh, just a nice cheek touch on Sachin Bhagwan. Yeah, they have not switched on for this match at all. The Kurukshetra try and save an all-out, which is very, very tough as he's a defender. Yeah, but speak of that attempt, yeah, you're just trying to make a point. Oh my God, he's not even got a bonus, is it? He's got it. That was the most hilarious way of getting a bonus point. The most funniest way to get a bonus point was that one. The bonus just like that.
नहीं होना चाहिए था नवीन, बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा, क्योंकि पहले वो जो पैर थे उसमें डिफेंडर के हाथ लग चुके थे और जो नियम अनुसार है, अगर आपके हाथ से अगर किसी की डिफेंडर के हाथों को लग जाते हैं, पैरों लग जाते हैं, तो फिर पहले कांटेक्ट के बाद वो बोनस लाइन की पूरी तरह से धूमिल नजर आए। बहुत अच्छे नाम है, हमने डिवीजन राउंड में इस टीम को बहुत अच्छा करते हुए देखा है। जैसे कुरुक्षेत्र में फाइट करनी आपके लिए जरूरी होती है, वैसे ही यहाँ कुरुक्षेत्र वॉरियर्स ने डिवीजन राउंड में किया था। पता नहीं इस युवा ऑल स्टार चैंपियनशिप टीम के तौर पे दिखी नहीं है। चेतन साहू 15 पॉइंट की लीड आपके पास है, 15 मिनट के आसपास का समय है। इस बार प्रवीण नरवाल थाईज पर गए, ये अच्छी सोच थी। पिछली बार जब आप डैश करने जा रहे थे आप उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन में नहीं थे, बट इस बार
because yesterday we saw that graphic where Shivam Singh got his consecutive 10th Super 10 as the graphic operator now will be getting into work, and Rahul Puria will be getting into work in this do or die raid. So maybe their confidence is low. Now see, that's not the way how you want to escape.
1 point.
Ankit Dhul on that right corner and understand as Karambir Thakur steals the bonus, goes off. But yeah, so just speaking of the number of losses, two defenders went in a chain. Sachin and Ankit
1 point.
both,
Chargers. Number 8 out.
and look at that agility from Chetan Sahu. He just realized. I think probably he just heard the footsteps when you're running. That footsteps. He did not turn back. There, I think he just heard the footsteps. Harshit, when they both ran on the mat, there was that that sound to escape.
Ankit Dhul, high five.
Again.
1 point. Kurukshetra Warriors.
Again.
Number 1 out.
Today, Saturday, I've been introduced to that sort of a game, which happens more in the Haryana and Punjab belt. Now, ankle load from Praveen Narwal. What if Sandeep Saini doesn't show us?
Chandigarh
Praveen
Chargers.
Narwal says, I can do
Red
one.
out 1 point.
Again,
रणवीर ठाकुर आपके लिए लीड रीडर होने चाहिए। राहुल पुरिया, अंकित दहिया अच्छे रीडर। ठाकुर के पास अनुभव बहुत अच्छा और वो ये कर सकते हैं, चहलकदमी कर सकते हैं, अनटैकल कर सकते हैं, बट क्या यहाँ पे डैश कर दिया गया है?
Number 1.
I think Dhansh.
Thank you. Review unsuccessful. Let us say 2 plus 2 4 points.
Finally.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
Finally, they come to one
All out
decision.
Chandigarh Chargers.
And I'm so happy for the entire Yuva team that they understood my
Chandigarh
request
Chargers, your reviews over
when
no
we
more.
say television umpires audio needs to be heard to the entire world. It's not us, the storytellers. It's not people having different perception. The man who matters is a television umpire. He thinks it might not go the right way, isn't it?
बिल्कुल सही नबी कि बतौर रेफरी जिनका निर्णय सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर उन्हीं से हम सुन लेंगे तो फिर मजा दुगना हो जाता है। बट यहाँ पे क्या कुरुक्षेत्र वॉरियर्स मैच में वापसी कर रहा है? क्या पौने 5 मिनट में
As you said, it was that fair distance away, not near his legs.
2 मिनट।
That's the 9th one. There we go. Well.
Red out.
Can
1
he
point.
be that
Chandigarh Chargers.
match wonder? But here, Sandeep Saini has a big chance. 9 tackle points today. And Pratap Singh will turn away. In a Ease My Trip super tackle situation,
1 point.
Rahul Puria will have to go
Chandigarh
out.
Chargers. Number 6 out.
The legs. Now, can this be one big one? Sachin Bhagwan again. Sandeep Saini. He's already on 9 tackle points. He's waiting for that right leg. What was that? Please go
Red
out,
come
Raider.
out.
That rule
1
is
plus
long
2
gone back.
points.
See, this is
Chandigarh
what happens,
Chargers.
Sachin
All
Bhagwan.
out.
When your
Kurukshetra
coach is
Warriors.
talking to you, you should listen to your coach, not Praveen Narwal. When you listen to Praveen, go in quickly and come back. Chetan Sahu, understand. Your captain is on 9 tackle. And he gets a point. That's nice.
Raiders
There's
have
one more
2
chance.
points. Chandigarh
Chetan
Chargers,
Sahu
number 7 and
on
2
a
out.
nice turn. Astonishingly awesome. Yeah, whatever that is, it's been really good. There it is! Perfected! Well. We were waiting for this. And a perfect end for Sandeep Saini.
Chandigarh
That's wonderful.
Chargers.
Becomes a real defender. After Nitin Jangra, I should say. Wonderful work. Harshit, I let the
Match over.
commentary box in your control. I'll go down to talk to Sandeep Saini.
हारे तो फिर परेशानी अब आपके लिए पड़ेंगी। 14 टैकल पॉइंट कुरुक्षेत्र